If you're experiencing a transfer pending status in WooCommerce, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check payment gateway settings. Ensure that your payment gateway settings are correctly configured. Go to WooCommerce Settings Payments and verify that all required fields are filled out and that the gateway is enabled. Step 2. Review order status. Look at the order status in WooCommerce. Navigate to WooCommerce Orders and check if the order is marked as pending. If it is, you may need to manually update the order's status or check for any issues with the payment processing. Step 3. Verify transaction logs. Check the transaction logs for any errors or issues. Depending on your payment gateway, you may find logs in WooCommerce status logs. Look for any entries related to the pending transfer and note any error messages. Step 4. Update WooCommerce and plugins. Ensure that your WooCommerce plugin and all related plugins are up to date. Go to Dashboard Updates and install any available updates. Outdated plugins can sometimes cause compatibility issues leading to pending transfers. Step 5. Contact Payment Gateway Support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue in WooCommerce. If problems continue, consider seeking help from a professional developer or WooCommerce support for more in-depth troubleshooting.